Hey, so I asked my friend what the time was the other day. He told me it was around 8:45 or something, but he just did not stop with that. He kept on saying his fitness scores, how well he slept last night, and out of nowhere he started playing his favorite music on Spotify. I was like, what the hell, man, what are you doing? He was like just showing off his new smartwatch. But it was not just any smartwatch, there was something cool about it. Do you want to find out? Let's get into our video. Hello guys, welcome back to Purvika. Today I'm going to tell you about the new releases Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So I have these two products in front of me and you might be thinking which one you should buy and what is the basic difference between these two. Come on, I'll start with that. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic comes with dial sizes 42mm and 46mm, whereas Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 comes with dial sizes 40mm and 44mm. This Watch 4 Classic has a cool rotating bezel, that is why it has got 2mm extra. And for scrolling, you do not have to touch the screen every time, you can just rotate it. Now coming to the color, Watch 4 Classic, as the name suggests, comes with black and silver only. But color enthusiasts are gonna love this one as it comes with not only black and silver, but its 40mm it comes with pink gold, and for its 44mm it comes with green color. This Watch 4 Classic is made of stainless steel, so it is heavier than this one which is made of aluminium. I personally prefer the bulkier one cause I really don't mind the weights. These watches use the same processor and OS which are Exynos W920 and One UI 3 on top of Android Wear OS 3, which I'll talk about later. Wait for it. They have the same RAM capacity which is 1.5 GB and internal memory storage of 16 GB which is higher than its previous generation. Now let's see how good the watch's interface is. When you scroll down on your mobile, you get quick settings, right? You get the same in this watch too. There is battery percentage, Bluetooth, flashlight and all these modes. You can access it all from here. If you scroll up, it will go. If you scroll from the right side, notifications will pop up. If you want to go back, scroll left again. You will come to this home screen. There is a dial. If you scroll up from here, you get to see all the apps that you have. You can access it all easily from here. And this one right here is a home button. Press this, wherever you are, you will come back to this home screen. You can also rearrange these apps easily by long pressing it and moving it. See, we get recent apps in your mobile, right? We get the same in this watch too. This double icon symbol. Press it, you get to see the recent apps. You can close it or switch between them easily. We have seen the amazing user interface of the watch, but what about the watch faces? Let me show you, it's very simple. I have this wearable app on my phone and I'm clicking on its watch faces option. See a lot of watch faces. Classic, graphical, informative, basic, health and so on. There is also a get more option. I personally enjoyed using this AR emoji. If you set this graphical AR emoji will appear and look at it moving. You can also customize it by making it look like you. See, there is a customize option there above. You can also change the watch face easily. If you want to go back to the analog one, you will get it in 2 or 3 seconds. There are lots of options here. Now let's check the call feature. I'm pressing this button and I'm already getting a call.
Hello.
Hello? Tell me.
Hey man, it's time already. How long it will take?
I'm in a shoot, man. It will take just 10 minutes for me. Please wait, no.
I am waiting.
Okay, wait. Bye. So you can answer all your important calls in the watch itself now. Now, let me tell you some of the amazing features of this watch that I liked. This watch will tell you your body fat percentage, skeletal muscle, body water and your total BMI measurement in real time. It uses Samsung Bioactive sensor, which is the biggest innovation of the Galaxy yet. This Samsung Bioactive sensor also help you calculate your ECG and blood pressure levels. So no more long waits. So now that you have listened to it, what are you going to do about it? We need to work out, right? So how many sports do you play? 10, 20, but this watch supports 90 plus sports modes. So we need to really up our game. But how to make it more fun if we compete with our friends? This watch will help you track your friend's fitness record and gives you challenges and also badges with a live messaging board. I got really excited about this feature. Well, Apple Watch, Samsung has finally come for you. Were you worrying that you couldn't play Spotify on your smartwatch? Well, no worries. Now you can listen to YouTube offline music and also Spotify in your smartwatch itself. Well, now with the updated Google Maps app, you can take a look at your recent search history in your smartwatch itself. Now let's have a look at it. As with the maps, now Google Messages will also be synced with your phone. Let me show you. With this update, now Google Pay can be used in 16 different countries, but we Indians have to wait for some more time. But we can have access to new apps like Calm, Komoot, MyFitnessPal, Period Tracker, and so on. My personal favorite is Calm, which is a meditating app. You try all the apps and tell us in the comments which one is your favorite. Now we have come to the end of this video and I've already started to show off my Watch 4 Classic. Don't you want to show off too? Then go visit our Purvika store or website, which I have given the link below, for exciting offers, easy EMI schemes and 2 hours fast delivery. Hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for tech related updates. Thank you. Bye bye.